Let's go through this notebook to see search modes for ourselves. The first thing we do, as usual, is set up our connection to Azure AI Search and also to Azure OpenAI so that we can do embeddings. Now, let's look at a search for an exact string. Here I'm searching for $45 with a $sign and a period. Now, if I do a vector search and I look to see whether I found any matches for that, what I'm going to see is that there are no matches. It did find close results, but those close results don't contain the string $45. So that's the issue with vector search, is that it will always find results because there's always some vector that's closest, but it may not actually find something that's relevant to the query. Now we could do a full text search for that query. And when we do the full text search, we immediately get the top result exactly contains that search string. So as we can see, when we're looking for exact strings like numbers, IDs, proper names, email addresses, that sort of thing, we really want to have the power of a full text search. Now, fortunately, what we can do is use hybrid search to combine full text search and vector search together and get the results merged using the RRF algorithm. And when we do that, we see a bunch of results, but that one with the matching text is at the very top. Now, that was hybrid search, but we don't always get optimal results with hybrid search. So let's look at this query here where we search for learning about underwater activities. So we do a hybrid search, doing both full text and vector search, and look and see what our results are. So what we can see is that we don't actually see content about underwater activities until the fourth result. Right? That's where we see skiing, scuba diving and surfing, right? Underwater things. Ideally, that would actually be at the top, but the one at the top doesn't have anything about underwater in it. So what we can do is also add on the semantic ranker, which is the re-ranker that re-ranks all the results according to the user query using a machine learning model that's also used by Bing. So we run this, and this time the underwater result is at the very top. And that's why we always want to use hybrid and re-ranker so that we get the best results for all kinds of queries and that the best results are ranked at the top of the results.